Dang, Yeshma's in competition with us now.
Okay, everybody's got one except Kara.
Kara,
Okay.
you're the last one there.
Catfish?
No, it's probably the same thing. Oh, crappie now.
Crappie.
Whoa.
Oh, you gotta throw over there. It's so small. It's like the ones just in
Please
the
throw it
catch.
away.
Everything's biting it. Tristan's going back.
Chester?
Fish number 2 for Yeshabel.